Let us begin Chapter 3, Section 2. Number 1, solve the following equations. First step is to distribute the 4 times the 2x and the 3. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12, is equal to 7x plus 5. Now we combine like terms, which means we subtract 7x from both sides. This cancels the 7. 8x minus 7x is x, plus 12 is equal to 5. Subtract 12 from both sides, which cancels the 12. X is equal to 5 minus 12 is negative 7. So your answer is equal to negative 7. Here, the same problem. Different numbers, we do the same procedure. You distribute. 5 times 5x is 25x, minus 15 is equal to 24x, plus 6. Combine like terms. Let's subtract 24x from both sides. And this cancels the 24. 25 minus 24 is x, minus 15 is equal to 6. Add 15 to both sides, cancels the 15. X is equal to 6 plus 15 is equal to 21. The third problem from number 1. You want to distribute the negative to each of these terms inside the parentheses. So you have 3x. A negative times a negative is a positive x. Negative times a positive is negative 1. Minus x is equal to negative 2. Combining like terms, you have a 3x, an x, and a negative x. 3x plus x is 4x, minus x is 3x, minus 1 is equal to negative 2. Adding 1 to both sides cancels the 1. You have 3x is equal to negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Divide both sides by 3. X is equal to negative 1 over 3. Number 2, the sum of 4 consecutive odd integers is 336. Find the 4 numbers. Remember that the sum of 4 consecutive odd integers is x, which is the first, plus the second is x plus 2, plus the third is x plus 4, plus the fourth is x plus 6 is equals 336. Combining these terms, x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 4x. Combining the 2, the 4, and the 6 is plus 12 equals 336. Subtract 12 from both sides. You have 4x is equal to 324. Divide by 4. X is equal to 81, which is the first consecutive odd integer. The second consecutive odd integer is 83. The third is 85. And the fourth is 87. And these are your 4 consecutive odd integers which sum to 336. Number 3, Maria left a tip, left a 20% tip of $4.50 for a meal what was the cost of the meal? If we let x equals to the value of the meal, x is the value of the meal, we have 20%, which is 0.20 of the meal, is equal to $4.50. Divide both sides by 0.20. 4.50 divided by 0.20 is equal to $22.50. And you can always check your answer. If you multiply 22.50 times 0.20, you will get the 4.50. Number 4, the second angle of a triangle is 50 more than the first. Let us assume x is equal to the measure of the first angle. The second angle is 50 more than the first, so this is the second angle. And the third angle is 10 less than twice the first. Therefore, the third angle is equal to 2x minus 10. The total measurements of the angle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, 2x minus 10 is equal to 180. Combining like terms, we have x plus 2x, which is 4x. We have 50 minus 10, which is 40, is equal to 180. Now we combine like terms again. We subtract 40 from both sides to cancel the 40. 4x is equal to 140. Divide by 4. 140 divided by 4 is equal to 35. And that is the measurement of the first angle. The second angle, we substitute 35 into the x. 50 plus 35 is equal to 85. And the third angle, we substitute 35 into x. 2 times 35 is 70, minus 10 is equal to 60. And this is the measurement of all three angles. The last, number 5, the length of a rectangle is 25 feet less than 2 times its width. What is the length and the width of the rectangle if the perimeter is 250 feet? Let's write our formula for perimeter of a rectangle. P is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. We know the perimeter is 250 feet. So 250 feet is equal to 2 times the length, and the length is 25 feet less than 2 times the width. So we have 2w minus 25, which is the length, plus 2 times the width. We distribute. 250 is equal to 2 times 2w is 4w. 2 times negative 25 is negative 50, plus 2w. We combine like terms. 250 is equal to 6w minus 50. Add 50 to both sides. 250 plus 50 is 300, is equal to 6w. Divide that by 6. We know the width is equal to 50 feet. Solving for the length, we know the length was 2w minus 25. Therefore, 2 times 50 minus 25 is equal to 75 feet. Therefore, your length is 75 feet and your width is 50 feet. And this completes Chapter 3, Section 2.